New classes and indications of orally inhaled therapeutics are rapidly expanding. The pipeline increasingly features small biotech entrants, larger molecules, and systemic indications. Small molecule segments account for 65% of pipeline programs, while large molecules account for 35%. In the small molecule segment, both nebulizer and dry powder inhaler modalities are growing, with more interest in the development of DPI programs as compared to nebulization programs. This landscape offers opportunities for specialized contract development manufacturing organizations, CDMOs, with the right partner. Catalent is a leader in both pulmonary and nasal delivery, with deep scientific knowledge and scalable manufacturing capabilities for inhalation innovators. We deliver particle formulations for inhalation through processes like micronization or spray drying, carrier-based or carrier-free formulations, potent and biosafety containment, powder filling, and primary packaging. Catalent solutions focus on the entire drug development triangle. We focus on the patient first for a successful development strategy. Establishing the target product profile, along with disease state and patient considerations, is paramount. What is the age and dexterity of the target population? Are they able to coordinate their breath with the device's aerosolization? Will they be able to effectively inhale and consistently achieve the desired emitted dose? How can we develop a therapeutic dose, minimizing time and disruption to a patient's day? The device then needs to effectively deliver the drug to the patient's airways for targeted efficacy. For pulmonary delivery, Catalent specializes in both DPIs and nebulizers. This offers flexibility to address drug stability, dosing, and intended regional lung deposition. The drug formulation must then account for the molecule's physicochemical properties, the daily efficacious and safe dose, as well as the delivery device. While lactose-based formulation for inhalation has been the mainstay of drug delivery via DPI, there is a growing need to administer drugs in higher doses and a trend toward powder formulations. Spray drying is the established particle engineering technology that produces high drug payload particles for inhalation and enables a patient-friendly DPI alternative to nebulization. As solids, dry powders for inhalation tend to be more stable because they are solids versus liquid formulations. Dry powders can also allow for drug storage without refrigeration, providing the patient with added flexibility and freedom. Catalent's integrated pulmonary delivery solutions encompass dry powder inhaler development services from early pre-formulation to final product release testing, small and large molecule spray drying technology, scalable expertise from laboratory scale to the largest GMP commercial scale, clinical to commercial scale capsule filling and blister packaging, liquid aerosol and powder characterization. With global development, analytical support, and scalable manufacturing, Catalent accelerates the time to market for inhalation therapies. Catalent, your partner for integrated pulmonary delivery solutions.